Looking for a rose that delivers beauty without the hassle? The Carefree Spirit Rose is your go-to. This pink-flowered shrub is built with resilience in mind, thriving through heat and winter cold, all with minimal care. Unlike many roses that need constant pruning and spraying, this variety keeps things simple with strong disease resistance. Perfect for beginner gardeners or anyone wanting vibrant blooms without the fuss, it flowers repeatedly from late spring through fall. It keeps your garden lively for months. Its open shape even attracts pollinators, supporting a lively garden ecosystem. Place it in a cottage garden, mixed border, or urban setting. It offers structure with its compact form, looking good even when not blooming. Just plant it in a sunny spot with good drainage, water during dry spells, and you're set. This is a rose that combines elegance with practicality, offering classic charm while staying tough and low maintenance. If you're in search of a dependable rose that brightens your garden without extra work, try Carefree Spirit Rose. It's a smart choice to add color and resilience to your outdoor space. Please like and subscribe to seniorhealthportal.com. Thanks for watching.